Well, hello there everybody, Scott here, out in the garage today, and I'm doing a bit of work to the newly acquired Yamaha. This is a Yamaha, I'm going to come back here, ow, hit my ankle, that's a Royal Star, I'm going to go this way, a Royal Star, Venture Royal Star. That's a 1986 Venture. I'm not in the best angle for videotaping, so I'll do a video of it later on, but I wanted to show you guys something that I've been working on. This panel here is plastic, as you can see, and this little door goes up and down like this, and one of the mounts in this broke off, so the door was a little cockeyed, so I had to take this whole panel off, which consists of these 6 Allen screws. Took the panel off, but in doing that realized that a lot of the bottoms of these mounting areas had basically broken off as this plastic has aged over time. And I was trying to figure out a simple way to solve this problem, and what came to my mind were these. So these are beveled washers, assortments of beveled washers. And the thought was, as the previous owner put a washer here that allowed for the securing of this cover, but it just doesn't look that great, you know, it kind of stands out. So I thought, geez, if I could find something black that would work. And I came across these beveled washers. And there's assorted sizes, and this seems to be the best size here. This is the smallest one. So right here, if I can find, there it is, I squished this beveled washer into the hole. So there's the hole without the washer, and that little Allen bolt is in there, and then here's one up here with the beveled washer pushed into the hole. It's still sticking out a little bit, but I'm thinking once I screw that down, it's probably going to pull that slightly down into the hole, and I think it's going to do a good job at holding this piece of plastic. So I thought I'd share that because it is pretty inconspicuous. You can see it down here, and I think it looks pretty darn good, you know, compared to that, which is a bit more obvious. So if you're having a problem with your first generation Ventures when it comes to the plastic breaking at these bolt-in screw points, this might be something you'll want to try.